You know what time it is? It's time to make some almond butter. Alright, all we need is about 2 cups of almonds. Now, my favourite thing about almonds is lots and lots of benefits, but mainly they're an appetite suppressant. So if you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to, in between meals, you're trying to eat less, eating almonds will actually suppress your appetite. So that's pretty cool. Has a lot of zinc in them as well. Zinc's really good for the immune system. Actually helps with cholesterol. There's lots of benefits. The good oils, the good fats. Quite alkaline compared to other nuts as well. And then that's just, you can actually roast the nuts. It's better to do that, there's more oil in them. Now instead of roasting them to get the oil, we're going to use the oil from the coconut. And then put it on top, blend it together. Alright, that's good. Now if it's too dry, just add in some more oil. So we're going to put some more coconut oil in. Another tablespoon. Alright, that's what we want. That's better. Oh, you need something to get this out. Ready? Wait for it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you make almond butter.